पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस सेंटेंस। वह 5 साल से इस मकान में रह रहे थे। He had been living this house for 5 years. मैं एक हफ्ते से मंदिर जा रहा था। I had been going to temple for a week. तुम एक हफ्ते से बुखार से पीड़ित हो रहे थे। You had been suffering from fever for a week. किसान कई महीनों से खेत जोत रहे थे। The farmers had been plowing the fields for several months. भाई 2 घंटे से सो रहा था। Brother had been sleeping for 2 hours. वे 1995 से दिल्ली नहीं रह रहे थे। They had not been living in Delhi since 1995. वो कई घंटे से नहीं सो रहा था। He had not been sleeping for many hours. हम उसे एक हफ्ते से नहीं मिल रहे थे। We had not been meeting him for a week. तुम 10 दिन से वहां नहीं घूम रहे थे। You had not been wandering there for 10 days. वह 1 साल से नहीं पढ़ रहा था। He had not been studying for 1 year. क्या वह 2 बजे से फूल तोड़ रहे थे? Had I been plucking the flowers since 2 o'clock? क्या विक्की एक हफ्ते से फैक्ट्री जा रहा था? Had Vicky been going factory for a week? क्या मैं 3 बजे से आपसे बात कर रहा था? Had I been talking to you since 3 o'clock? क्या आप 2012 से उसका इंतजार कर रहे थे? Had you been waiting for him since 2012? क्या हम उसे कई घंटे से देख रहे थे? Had we been looking him for many hours? तुम कल से कहाँ छुप रही थी? Where had you hiding since yesterday? राजा 2 घंटे से गीत क्यों गा रहा था? Why had Raja been singing a song for 2 hours? उसे सुबह से कौन परेशान कर रहा था? Who had been disturbing him since morning? तुम कल रात से क्या पढ़ रहे थे? What had you been studying since yesterday? माँ 2 घंटे से उसे क्यों डांट रही थी? Why had mother been scolding him for 2 hours? Like, subscribe, share and comment.